This is what I made today. Chicken pizza served with green salad. On this plate here I have 4 chicken breasts. On this plate here I have cherry tomatoes, 4 garlic cloves. On that big plate I have toasted pine nuts, cucumber, avocado, lemon, parmigiano known as parmesan, grated mozzarella, 2 lettuce gem, flat parsley, basil, extra virgin olive oil, sea salt, ground black pepper, sliced green olives, 1 tin of plum tomato. Now I'm going to prepare my chicken breast. First, I'll try to open it a bit. I'm going to do all the 4 chicken breasts. Then from there, I'll sandwich the chicken breast with a clean film. Now I'm going to sandwich my chicken breast with the clean film. I'm going to do it like this. Like this. Then use a rolling pin and put it like that. You can do it like this or you can do it like this. Forgive me for the noise. This one is ready. So I'll take out the clean film, remove the breast. Is it soft and light? I'll do both 4 chicken breasts the same. Now the chicken breast is ready. Now I'm gonna put it aside. I'm gonna roast my 4 garlic in the oven for about 1.5 minutes. Then I'm gonna cut my cherry tomatoes into quarters. Into 4 quarters. Now I'm going to prepare my pesto. Then put it all in the blender. Then basil, yeah, I'll do the same, rough cut, add it inside the blender. Then add my roasted pine nuts. It's about 100 grams roasted pine nuts. Then cover the blender. Now I'll open this and grate the parmigiano, so that's parmesan. I'll use the grater and grate it. I'll grate all the parmesan. Then when the garlic is roasted, I'll add the garlic and the parmesan inside the blended parsley and pine nut, flat parsley. Now I'm going to add my 4 roasted garlic, followed by the parmesan, or some call it parmigiano. I think parmigiano, I think is an Italian word. But in English call it parmesan. Then I'll blend them together again. Now I'm gonna add my ground black pepper, just a little bit, not too much. Then a little bit of sea salt. For the salt, it's optional, and you can use any type of salt, any type of white salt. It doesn't mean you should use only sea salt. Then add my extra virgin olive oil. Cover and blend it. That's my pesto. Ready? I'll put it aside. Now I'm gonna blend my plum tomato. Now I'm gonna put all my 4 chicken breasts here. Right. Then add my tomato. Then spread it. Then I do the same, I spread it. Then add my mozzarella cheese. Then I'll add my cherry tomatoes. I'll cut into quarters. Then followed by olives, sliced green olives. Now I'll put my chicken breast in the oven for about 20 minutes. But make sure you heat the oven to 180 degrees of gas. Now I'm going to cut the cucumber into 2 halves. Then take off the seeds, the middle part of it. Then I'll cut it into two splits. Then cut it diagonally. Now I'm going to wash my lettuce there with the cucumber together. Make sure you use cold water, not warm, cold water. And use calendar, whether a small calendar or a bigger one, because after you're going to leave it for about 20 to 25 minutes for the excess water to drain off. Yeah, now I'm going to leave it. In this bowl here is 2 lemon juice. Now I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil, 1 tablespoon. Then add my sea salt. I like sea salt, but you can use any sea salt. Just a pinch of sea salt. Then a pinch of ground black pepper. Then mix it. You can either use electric mixer or hand mixer. Now I'm going to cut my avocado into 2 halves. Take out the seeds. Cut it straight line. Cross it into small chips. The same. Then I'll use my spoon and add it here. First, I'll put the sliced green olives. Then the avocado. Now I'm going to add my dressing on my green salad. Then mix it together. And that's my chicken ready. Now I'm going to serve it. and add my green salad. Thank you for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, share the video with a friend and family, and please do not forget to click on the notification bell so if I upload a new video you'll be notified. You can also follow me on Twitter, Instagram, Facebook and TikTok.